Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your week 1 forecast for October 2015. Leos, it's quite a phenomenal start to the month. We have Venus that has been there in your sign for quite some time now, and she's there for the next 8 days. And she's highlighting a part of your chart that speaks about you, your goals, your dreams and your desires. Now Venus has unusually been there in this part of your chart because she has been retrograde last month, and now for the next 8 days she's direct, and she is again going to be coming and giving you opportunities that not just though this house does speak about more of a superficial change as well. Maybe some of you will change your hair, your wardrobe. It is how it is that you want to project yourself to the world outside, how it is that you perceive yourself and your own image of what it is that you want the world to view it as. But this also speaks about more deeper stuff. So it also speaks about patterns, conditionings, and which they normally, all of us have these two images of what I think of myself and then what the world thinks of me, and what is it that I want the world to see me as. Now there can be certain patterns and addictions, or even I would say certain conditionings that you may have in you, which could get surfaced, and this is a time wherein that you could sort of correct them. It can be as simple as procrastination, or just being too complacent, or being too lazy. And this is a time where Venus is just going to sort of come, not just highlight, but she's just going to give you all that entire support to be able to reach to your goal, to your dream of how it is that you want to be in life. For some of you, it can also be that you will be looking back at life at this point of time. It can be your career, it can be your personal life, and there's just going to be a sense of achievement and you're going to be feeling quite proud. There's going to be a sense of, oh, I've come so far and I've done quite well, or I've done decently well for myself. For some of you, this time can be a recognition of, I wouldn't say shortcomings, but then you will understand yourself completely as to what is it that you're capable of. I think this not only comes with overtime and with a sense of maturity, but it's a time where that you will realize that maybe what you are so used to seeing or advising, it's not something that you really apply in your life. So they're two different things, and they're two different people. So there's just a time wherein that Venus is going to be coming. Like I said, it's a brilliant time for even for any kind of cosmetic surgery as well, because Venus is there, and it's a time wherein that you're just generally going to be buying beautiful clothes, or you're just going to be making yourself look more lovelier than usual. So have quite the lovely 8 days as we begin the week, Leos. I'll see you again next week, and thank you so much.